Hey guys, Roger Burley, vocal coach here. You know, I've been coaching for more than 30 years and I'm here in Hollywood and I'm always trying to bring you the best information and answer the questions that you have. And this is one that I have probably received the most over the last 30 years. And that is, how do I become confident as a singer? I'm going to give you something that is going to help you. First of all, you become confident when you experience something that you know that you did, where you can see that you're making some improvement. When you start to acknowledge that, when you start to appreciate that, then you start to say, oh, wait a minute, I can possibly do this. Then what starts to happen, you start feeling more confident. I'm telling you this happens. It's not going to happen tomorrow if you've been telling yourself that you're terrible forever, but it will happen. And so what I'm going to do today, I'm going to give you an exercise that's going to be a little challenging, but if you do it long enough, you're going to master it. And then as you do, it's going to change your mind about anything that you thought that you could or could not have done before. And this is going to be two vowel sounds that I'm going to have you do on this one. I'm going to give you a very specific pattern, the way I want you to do it, and you're going to practice it over and over again. You're going to record yourself, you're going to listen to it, and you're going to keep doing it until you hear that you've mastered it and that you're perfect on every single note. Okay, it's called, this is two sounds, E, A. And I want you to do this. Think vertically this way. I want you to be able to hear everything staying in the same place. You've developed this internal hearing if you've been working with me for a while, so you know that is coming through. And so now you're going to rely on that a little bit in this exercise. E, A. I'm hearing my A go right there. I have to really enunciate, otherwise it'll go into some weird places. So that's what I need you to do. E, A. A, and I'm listening right there to hear A, the notes coming down. I'm having to close a little bit. A, I'm bringing the lower notes up so I don't fall back in my throat. All of these things you may not get all at once, but as you practice this over and over again, you will. And as you start to master this, I'm telling you, you're going to start to feel a little more confidence. You're going to start to think, wait a minute, maybe I need to go out and start really doing this. Maybe I really need to work on it and stop shortchanging myself by not following through and, just starting to develop. So let me give you the exercise. E-A, E-A, E-A. I'm hearing E-A. I'm starting here, not pushing up. E-A. And the other important part, E-A. Let go before that A. Enunciate that A. It'll move you into a little different place. It'll take you a little while. You'll get it. E-A. There it is. E-A. 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 That's it. All I want you to do is to practice that over and over again. And then after you've done that for a little while, then I want you to record yourself and listen to it. And over time, just record it 1 week, then the next week, and you will see how much you have improved. Then what starts to happen, you're going to start to feel more confident or assured about what you might be able to do, guaranteed. All right. Enjoy this, practice for a while, share this with your friends, subscribe to the channel, and leave more comments and questions for me. All right, see you guys real soon.